Alright, it's time for my favorite song ever, Hot Cross Buns. This is line number 17. So, first things first, clap it before you begin. A half note is white on the inside, which means you hold it for 2 taps. You ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest. Oh, that square there, that little box, it kind of looks like a hat. It's sitting on top of the line. That is a half rest. So a half note, 2 beats that are stretched out. One sound stretched out over 2 beats. That little box there is 2 beats of silence. Now, oops. All right, now where were we? Clapping and counting. Let me get my metronome started. 1 and 2 and clap and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those bells. All right. Now, there are no new notes. These are all notes that you've already been playing for a while. So let's go and show and tell. Ready, go. E, D, C, rest, rest. E, D, C, rest, rest. C, 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 C. D, 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 D. E, D, C, rest, rest. Now, let's talk about the buzzing. E is our middle buzz. So the other way we can practice this is middle, lower, low, rest, rest. Middle, lower, low, rest, rest. Low, 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 higher, 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 middle, lower, low. Now, I was playing D, and sometimes I said higher. Sometimes I said lower. It all depends on what direction we're going. When you're reading French horn, you need to not only look at the note, but is it going higher? Is it climbing up the ladder? Or is it going lower? Because that's going to change the direction of our face. Going higher or going lower. So let's buzz. Remember, start on a middle buzz and then go lower. 1, 2, ready. All right, let's give it a play. Find your first note. First note is E. C, E, G, E, C. Remember, E is our middle sound. Let's do our warm-up. The C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. All right, we're ready for hot cross buns. Find that middle open. 1, 2, ready. Ooh, that takes takes a lot of breath. Let's do it again. All right, have fun.